Today we are going to show you how to register for the ArtsWay portal, where you can view orders, place orders, and check price and availability. First, you are going to type in portal.artsway-mfg.com. If you do not already have an account, you are going to press register here. You need to fill out all the information on this page. When it comes to the password, you are going to need a 10-digit password, one uppercase, one lowercase, one special character, and one number needs to be used. Once you fill out all this information, we do highly recommend that every person at your company has its own login. You do not use one login for the entire company. You will then press register. You will receive an email from us saying that we are reviewing your information, and you will hear again from us shortly, so you will not be able to log in after the first email. Once you've received the second email from us approving your application, you will then be able to type in your information here and sign in.